A very warm good morning to all my dear students. Hopefully, you all are well and healthy at your home. In this lockdown period, we got this opportunity to study through these online live classes. So, today I will teach you the first chapter of History Class 9, the French Revolution. But before that, I request you all students to open your books, pen, pencil, eraser in front of you. We will study the first chapter of history, that is the French Revolution. So, in this chapter, the first thing which comes in our mind, what is the meaning of French Revolution? Revolution. First of all, revolution. Meaning of the revolution. A revolution, a recognized momentous change in any situation. A revolution may result in sudden overthrow of an established government or system by force. Bloodshed, the French Revolution. Louis XVI in 1774 of the Bourbon family of kings ascended the throne of France. Upon his accession, he found an empty treasury, treasury. Treasury. It posed problems before the new king. Who was the king of France? Louis XVI. He belongs to which family? Bourbon family of kings. The state was forced to increase taxes to meet its regular expenses such as the cost of maintaining an army, the court, running government offices, etc. In the 18th century, the French society was divided into three states: the clergy, number one, number two, nobility, and which formed the first two states were the privileged class, privileged, privileged classes. They were exempted, exempted from payment of state taxes. The third state formed the majority of the population and was the unprivileged classes. It bore the burden of taxes with no political rights and social status. The population of France increased drastically during the period 1715 to 1789. This led to a rapid increase in the demand for food grains, but the production of grains did not increase. Peasants and workers were highly dissatisfied. They revolted every now and then against increasing taxes and food scarcity. They wanted to bring about a change in the country's social and economic order. During the 18th century, social groups were also known as the middle class emerged, EMERGED. They were educated and believed that no group in society should be privileged by birth. Philosophers like John Locke, Montesquieu, and Rousseau enlightened the middle class peoples with their revolutionary ideas. They set them on the path of revolution. Louis XVI planned to increase further taxes. He called together an assembly of the States General on May 5, 1789 for this purpose. The members of the third state participated in the assembly but walked out of it when on June 20 they assembled in the hall of an indoor tennis court in the grounds of Versailles. This, they declared themselves a national assembly and swore at not to disperse till they had drafted a constitution for France that would limit the power of the king. The rest of France was seething with turmoil. On July 14, they stormed and destroyed the Bastille. Their agitation proved to be fruitful. Louis XVI finally accorded recognition to the National Assembly and accepted the principle that his powers would from now on be checked by Constitution. On 14th August 1789, the Assembly passed a decree abolishing the feudal system of obligations and taxes. Members of the clergy were too forced to give up their privileges. The National Assembly completed the draft of the Constitution in 1791. Its main object was to limit the power of the monarch. The Constitution of 1791 vested the power to make law in the National Assembly, which was indirectly elected. The Constitution began with a declaration of the rights of men and citizens, rights such as the right to life and freedom of speech, freedom of opinion, and equality before law were established as natural and inalienable. INALIENABLE, inalienable rights. Louis XVI, no doubt, had signed the Constitution, but he entered into secret negotiation with the King of Persia. The National Assembly acted swiftly, SWIFTLY, swiftly. It declared war against Persia and Austria. Thousands of volunteers thronged thronged from provinces to join the army. The Revolutionary Wars brought losses and economic difficulty to the people of France. In spite of that, large section of population wanted to carry the revolutionary further. Political clubs came into limelight. The most successful of these clubs was that of the Jacobin. The members of the Jacobin club belonged mainly to the less prosperous section of society. The newly elected assembly was called the Convention, CONVENTION. On September 21, 1792, it abolished the monarchy and declared France a republic. Louis XVI was sentenced to death by a court on the charge of treason. On January 21, 1793, he was executed publicly at the Place de la Concorde. The Queen Marie Antoinette met the same fate shortly after. Robespierre, Robespierre, remained the center image from 1793 to 1794. This period is referred to as the Reign of Terror. During this period, he followed a policy of severe control and punishment. Soon he became unpopular, even his supporters began to demand moderation. Finally, he was arrested and executed in July 1794. Soon he became unpopular, even his supporters began to demand moderation. Finally, he was arrested and executed in 1794. After the fall of the Jacobin government, the wealthier middle classes seized power. A new constitution was introduced which denied the vote to non-propertied section of society. It provided for two elected legislative councils. These legislative council appointed a directory and executive made of 5 years. However, the directors often clashed with the legislative councils. As a result, political instability took place, which paved the way for the rise of Napoleon Bonaparte, who was a military dictator. In 1804, he crowned himself the Emperor of France. In the beginning, people saw him as a liberator who would bring freedom for them, but soon the Napoleonic armies came to be viewed everywhere as an invading force. He was finally defeated at Waterloo in 1815. Many of his measures that carried the revolutionary ideas of liberty and modern laws to other parts of Europe had an impact on people long after Napoleon had left. The ideas of liberty and democratic rights were the most important legacy of the French Revolution. This is spread from France to the rest of Europe during the 19th century. Some important words laid down in your copy. Old regime. This term is usually used to describe the society and institution of France before 1789. Livre, L-I-V-R-E, means unit of currency in France, discontinued in 1794. Number 3. Clergy, C-L-E-R-G-Y, group of persons invested with special functions in the church. Tithe, T-I-T-H-E, a tax levied by the church comprising 1/10 of the agricultural produce. Tally, T-A-I-L-L-E, tally, tax to be paid directly to the state. Subsistence crisis, an extreme situation where the basic means of livelihood are endangered. Anonymous, A-N-O-N-Y-M-O-U-S, one whose name remains unknown. Manor, an estate consisting of the lord's land and his mansion, M-A-N-S-I-O-N. Chatteau, C-H-A-T-E-A-U, castle, C-A-S-T-L-E, castle or stately residence belonging to a king or nobleman. Marseillaise, M-A-R-S-E-L-L-A-I-S, Marseillaise, a patriotic song sung for the first time by volunteers from Marseille, M-A-R-S-E-L-L-I-E-L-E-S, as they marched into Paris. It is now the national anthem of France. Sans clotage, S-A-N-S-C-U-L-O-T-T-E-S, sans clotage, literally meaning those without knees, K-N-E-E. Breeches, B-R-E-E-C-H-E-S, breeches. treason, T-R-E-A-S-1, betrayal of B-E-T-R-A-Y-L, betrayal of one's country or government. Guillotine, Guillotine, a device consisting of two poles and a blade with which a person is beheaded. Pen de Egalite, P-A-I-N, pen D E-G-A-L-I-T, a French word meaning equality, bread. Citoyen, C-I-T-O-Y-E-N, means Frenchmen are called citoyen, C-I-T-O-Y-E-N, citoyenne, C-I-T-O-Y-E-N-E. French women are called citoyennes. Negroes, N-E-G-R-O-E-S, a term used for indigenous peoples of Africa or south of the Sahara. Emancipation, act of freeing. Some important deadline. Now write down in your copy. Louis XVI becomes King of France, faces imperial treasury and growing discontent with society of the old regime. 1789, convocation of State General, third state forms National Assembly. The Bastille is stormed, peasant revolt in the countryside. 1791, a constitution is framed to limit the powers of the king and to guarantee basic rights to all human beings. 1792 to 1793, France becomes a republic. The king is beheaded and overthrow of the Jacobin Republic. A directory rules France. 1804, Napoleon becomes Emperor of France and annexes large parts of Europe. 1815, Napoleon defeated at Waterloo. Thank you very much. Have a nice day. Visit next class.